In this video, we're going to import data from YouTube Analytics into Airtable. To do that, go to the Airtable app marketplace and install the Data Fetcher app. Once you've added it to your base, you need to sign up for a free Data Fetcher account or sign into your existing Data Fetcher account. After signing up, click on Create Your First Request, and for Application, select YouTube Analytics. Then click on New YouTube Analytics Connection and choose the account or brand account that you want to pull in data from. So I'm going to use my Data Fetcher YouTube account, then click on Allow. Once you've done that, add a name for your request, like Fetch YouTube Metrics. Then click on Save and Continue in the bottom right. Then select the date range you want to pull in data for, such as last week. Select the fields that you want to pull in from YouTube. So I'm going to use views, likes, and subscribers gain. And then if we just click Save and Run now, we're going to get the totals for all of these for last week. But I actually want to split them out into different records based on the day. So I'm going to select day for split by, but you could also use video or month or any of these others. Then select the output table and view that you want to pull in data to. I'm going to keep the default here of table 1 and grid view. Then click Save and Run in the bottom right. It's going to connect to YouTube and open the response field mapping. So this is where we set how those fields from YouTube map to the fields in our table. So we can see all of them are going to create new fields. So this is going to happen once, it's going to create the fields we need, and then it's going to pull in the data into these records. But if you wanted to use existing fields, you could select this and pick a field. And when we're using new fields, you can also see we're going to get the types here. So we're going to get a date field and then 3 number fields. So once you've done that, click Save and Run. Data Fetcher is going to create those fields in the output table and then import the data from YouTube. And then we can toggle this to not see this message again and click Show Output Table. And you can see we've imported YouTube Analytics data into Airtable.